Now, I told you in a previous video that you can't fake tough. Well, tough just got a whole lot tougher with a Ford Ranger Raptor with a V6 turbo. You see, as soon as the Ford Ranger Raptor was released, there were a few people who were clamoring for the V6 gasoline variant. I mean, yeah, you sure have the torque of the diesel, but they want the power, they want the ruggedness that only the V6 turbo can offer. See, the Ford Ranger Raptor is powered by a 3-liter V6 turbo that makes 392 horsepower and 486 Nm of torque. We've got an active exhaust system as well as multiple drive modes, including Baja mode. Ford Philippines is only going to sell 300 units of this bad boy, and pricing starts at 2.739 million pesos. So head on over to the nearest Ford dealership or head over to Zingos.ph to get the best prices on Ford Ranger Raptor V6 Turbo.